What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 53 cents, up 1.9 on the day, seeing a market cap of 4.99 billion, 24-hour volume 204 million. So looking at the chart, we broke this down sloping trend line, which is a good bullish signal for the price of Matic. Potentially wave one to the upside, leaning diagonal, ABC into a 2, bounce off to 50% retracement, and then push up in a wave 3. So if we take a fib extension from the bottom of wave 1, and we broke that wave 1 high, which is bullish confirmation, then your wave 3 target is all the way up at the 1.618, which is currently coming in at, let me grab a price target, all the way up at 57 cents for a wave 3. Another bullish signal if we break that B wave high. If we fail to do so, we roll over, then the low simply isn't in. But as of right now, we have a leading diagonal. We ABC'd into a 2 and potentially pushing up in a wave 3. As you can see on this chart here, bullish divergence on the RSI. And we are starting to test the 20 EMA, so that will be the major signal, is to get back above those daily EMAs, get back above the 20, get back above the 55. If we hold that, boom, right around that area is where I would look to start to long, because I would have a lot of confirmation that this downtrend is finally over. Until then, we can get rejected, we can roll, we can create a lower low, right? So until I can get that confirmation of getting back above those daily EMA, especially seeing the bullish cross, that's when I'll start to look for long trades. Ethereum looks like leading diagonal, 5-way move, 1, 2, 3, 4, push up in a 5. So potentially we complete that 5-way move, and then we pull back. We pull back in a wave 2. We hold that pullback, we start to bounce. That's when I may look for a long trade to ride it up, because as you can see, we're coming up to test that trend line. If we fail to hold the pullback, we create a lower low. It is what it is. Then the correction simply isn't finished. But if we can pull back and then come back up and break that trend line, that would be a bullish signal for the price of ETH. Beautiful bounce off the ascending triangle with the bullish divergence. Well, we didn't create a lower low with the wick here, but the RSI is based off the candle close. So the candle closed up here. So we do have a bullish divergence, which is just crossing the 50 line. So we get back above those daily EMAs, and we can see continuation up and finally break out of this massive ascending triangle and see a large breakout to the upside. I will give you the technical target. Take the body of the triangle, take it to your point of breakout, and that would take Ethereum all the way up to about 3K, which would be extremely juicy in my opinion. As I mentioned, if we do roll over and we fail to hold a wave 2 pullback, we create a new low. It is what it is, but we aren't going to look for trades personally till we see that pullback and more confirmation. We start to bounce, break trend lines, bullish confirmations, things like that. Same for Matic. I want to see us get back above those daily EMAs, and there'll be lots of juicy trades to come if that does happen. Because if we get rejected and we roll over, create a lower low, and you take a long trade, well, you're going to get stopped out, right? So we wait for that first impulse to the upside, that 5-way move. We wait for that pullback. Signals will be given in the Discord when we do take our trades. It's only $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Over 2,000 members in the Discord. Basic access is free. 14-day free trial to my signals if you sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders dying for exchange. My subscribers only receive a 20% bonus in their futures account once they make a deposit. If you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200. All links are down below. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. You get daily crypto analysis. Review, okay. You get daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setters, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as we're trading Forex, we're in trades for gold, silver, all of that for only $10 a month, or grab the 14-day free trial. All links down below in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.